This is a 1984 Harley Davidson Shovelhead. It's a wide glide FXWG. It's a project bike. It's got a couple of problems that I haven't been able to sort out. So it's kickstart and electric. The first problem is, well, it's got no battery, but I've hooked it up to a battery and it doesn't turn the engine over very well from the starter. It does with the plugs out, but not with the plugs in. But it's like intermittent. It has turned it over and it backfires, but it has run, but splutters, pops, bangs, and I can't really find the problem. It's got a spark. I've cleaned the bottom of the carb out. It's got compression, so just going to move it on as it is. I'll show you what it's doing. So it turns it over. That time it didn't fire, but I don't know. The gears work, clutch works, the brakes work on it. The guy I bought it off was using it last summer, and I've contacted him, and he's surprised and doesn't know what could have happened since he sold it me. I'll just have another try turning it over. Yeah, it's backfiring and spluttering. It has run on its own for about 15 seconds, popping and banging, and then cut out. So there you go. If you fancy yourself a little project, there you go.